Hi, and welcome to this section of the course. In this section, I'm going to explain to you the storyboarding technique, planning, and shooting technique. If you decide to show your face in a video, that is another thing entirely. If you are recording your phone screen, there is a particular tool that you have to use for that. And as well, if you are trying to record your laptop screen, there is a particular tool that you must use for that. I'm going to recommend the best tool for you guys in this section of the course, particularly the ones that I'm using, and of course they are going to be free of charge. At times while doing my storyboarding and planning as well as scripting, I use AI tools like ChatGPT most of the time, which is going to ease your stress, right? So all you need to do is go over to ChatGPT, that is the AI chatbot that we all know about, and once you get there, you are going to generate your video script from there. It is very recommended that your video is scripted before you start shooting. Yes, you have to put something down because content creation is just kind of crazy, and that is the most crazy part of it. Once you know what to say and you know how to arrange your sentences, your statements, you know how to put them all together to grab your audience attention, then you are good to go. Everybody must have heard about ChatGPT, and all you need to do is go over to the URL chat.openai.com. You are going to land on this page if you have a ChatGPT account before. If you do not have a ChatGPT account before, all you need to do is sign up using your email address. You might be requested to insert your phone number. That is very simple and straightforward. Once you finish your registration with ChatGPT, you land on this page. I'm just going to input the prompt, that is the instruction that you want ChatGPT to follow. All I need from ChatGPT right now is to generate my video script. The things you're going to need to take note of are the title of your video and some keywords. That is, the video you are trying to record must have some keywords. Once you know the keywords for your videos, you're just going to input a prompt into ChatGPT. Let's try and give this prompt and see what we are going to get as response from ChatGPT. You can see ChatGPT is generating our script right now. This script is not just what you are going to say while you're recording the video. It contains everything that you need to add while you are editing the video. So you just have to wait while ChatGPT generates everything for you. Scroll up right now, you see it's starting from introduction, background music, and all of that. And the host, which you have. Wherever you see host, that is you as the host of the tutorial. This is what you are going to say as ChatGPT has recommended. Welcome back, creative minds. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of video editing. So that is a very great intro generated for me by ChatGPT for free. If you go through the script very well, you're going to see everything from the part 1 till the 7th part. So this is very easy. Whatever you want to create a video on, go over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is now available on WhatsApp. I created a video on how to create your own ChatGPT bot on WhatsApp. You can always go into the video description to check the link to watch the video later. So after you might have generated your script, do not forget, copy it, paste it somewhere that is more faster to access, and then put down some things that you must take note of. You just have to be simple and fast in this tutorial, but I'll make sure you understand everything. I always say you can go into the comment section below to ask any question you want to ask. I'm going to respond to it as fast as possible. The app that I use to record my phone screen is the X Recorder app. You see, this X Recorder is very smart in the sense that it can actually capture your phone camera, that is anything that appears via your phone camera, and at the same time captures anything that happens on your phone screen. The best smartphone screen recorder, this is actually the best that I can recommend so far, and according to my past experience, I've not seen any better offer, but X Recorder is still the best. It has the function of screen drawing. You can draw arrow, you can draw rectangles, you can draw circles, you can draw whatsoever you want to draw with the drawing tool. And as well, it has the camera feature where you can turn on your smartphone camera so that you yourself can reflect on the screen while you're recording your smartphone screen or your laptop screen. Well, it doesn't work on laptop, pardon me. It's another tool that actually works on laptop. I'm going to explain that after explaining the work of the X Recorder. So we are going to dive deep into the X Recorder app. If I click on open right now, you are going to see the X Recorder app just like this. You can allow the notification. Once you open the X Recorder app for the first time, you might be prompted to do some settings, or all the settings are self-explanatory. So once you finish the settings, you can be prompted to turn on the notification. If you want the X Recorder app to show some icons on your notification bar, that is right here, then you can turn it on. But if you don't want that, you can just click somewhere out here to remove that, and you can see past videos that I have actually recorded. They are going to be listed here. I've recorded a lot of video with the app. I've deleted a lot of them. On the screen recorder app interface right now, if you are going to see the settings, this settings icon, if you click right there, you are going to see a lot of settings about the X Recorder app. I'm using the pro version, of course. That is what you can see up there. The free version is on Play Store, while the premium version is right there in the video description. As well, you can contact me on WhatsApp to get the premium version if you need it. Things that I want you to set after you install the app. The first thing is this audio settings. This audio settings is very, very important, and you need to take note of it because things like this happens. At times, the audio source is going to be mute, so which is very, very dangerous because you will not get anything out. You will not get your voice out of the video. You make sure you increase the volume of the microphone to 200%. Although this is only available on the premium version, so on the free version you can only increase the volume to 100%. And right here, this is noise reduction. Turn it on, and once you throw with all the settings, you go back by clicking on the arrow above the screen. The next thing you want to do is make sure you set the video settings. This video settings is very, very, very important because it determines how sharp your video is going to be. Everything is well explanatory. I will not be able to set the video settings because I'm recording presently. But when you get to the video settings, you're going to see resolution, you're going to see frame rate, and you're going to see something like, you're going to see three things. Just make sure everything is set according to what you are seeing on the screen right now. The orientation should be set to auto. Save location is automatic, and then this video segment size is also very, very important. If you click on it, you are going to see by default it might be 2 gig, so you can increase it to 3.8 gig. This is only available on the premium version. If you are using the free version, the limit of video you can record using the app is 2 gig. Once the video you are recording gets up to 2 gig in size, it is going to stop recording automatically. So you can check out all other settings. All these ones, they are self-explanatory. You can check them out by clicking on this. The camera is going to be on, and while you're recording your phone screen, you'll be able to record your face as well. See this trash, this, if you turn it on, any video that is deleted from this app is going to be saved into the trashed folder for about 3 days, I think. So after 3 days, they are going to be deleted permanently. That means if you delete a video mistakenly, you can still get it back. It can do some basic editings as well. By clicking on the pencil icon that is showing below that page, you can edit video, but it is just basic editing, right? Not too professional. It can edit photos as well. You can use it to merge video and photos, and as well you can use it to compress video. Well, the video compressor is not so smart and strong, but I'll give you a better one. If I forget to give it to you guys in this video, then it's going to be in the next section of the tutorial. If it is your laptop screen that you want to record, you can easily go to obsproject.com. OBS might seem small complex, but it is more professional when it comes to screen recording. But Camtasia, it can record your screen, and at the same time you can use it to edit your videos. The only difference is just that OBS is more complex, but once you understand it, it is very, very easy to use, and it is more professional. Getting to this website, if you are using the Windows operating system, you click on Windows. If you are using Mac, you select Mac, and if you are using Linux, you select Linux. Very, very portable. Once you click on any of these buttons above, you are going to be able to download the file. It's always around 30 something megabytes, so it's very, very portable. It's not something that is going to take huge data subscription before you download. For the sake of this tutorial, we are working basically with smartphone. Immediately after you install your X Recorder app, this floating ball is going to show on your screen. So once you click on that part of the floating ball, there's going to be a countdown of 3 seconds, and immediately after that countdown, whatever that is shown on your phone screen is going to be recorded by the app. And as you can see, all the icons on the floating ball are going to change automatically. So this one stands for pause, as you can see it above, and the one close to it stands for stop, and the one next to it, like that pencil icon, is for the brushes, right? The brushes have many different forms, so you can use it to draw square, as I have said earlier. You can use it to draw circle, arrow, and anything you want to sketch at all. If you can change the color of the brushes if you want to change it. You can as well check some other tools by clicking on the next icon close to the brush. Then after all the shooting that you want to do, then you can save your videos by clicking on this icon. So once you save your video, you are going to go over and open the app itself. That is the X Recorder app itself, as you can see it right here. So once you open it up, you are going to land on this page, and from this page right here, you are going to click on this record icon below. So you are going to see all the videos that you've recorded so far with the X Recorder app, and presently these are the videos that I just recorded right now. So I'm going to rename them. Then you can go over and start editing now. So easy by going over to your Capcut app, opening your Capcut app and creating a new project, just as the way we've explained in the previous section of this course. If you are yet to watch the previous video, that is the first section of this course, you can go into the description, the link is going to be there, or you click on the link showing above the screen right now to watch the first section of the course. Then you can come back here and implement everything that is shown in this section. Select the clips one after the other. Currently, I'm having two clips of the video, right? So which is this and this. So I'm going to select them and I'm going to click on add below. So then you can start applying whatsoever you want to apply. We are going to explain further the editing processes as we go further in this course. Till I see you guys in the next section. Thank you. I'll see you at the top of the world.